Hello and welcome to my gluten-free plate, where I'm going to show you how I make these delicious and healthy energy date balls. These are the copycat version of the ones that you'll find at Aldi. Now you'll want to start with about 150 grams of dates that have had the pips removed, and you'll probably need to find the biggest knife in your kitchen to do the job at home if they haven't come that way. So I chop mine a little bit before I pop them into the mini processor because I've actually already broken two machines. I've bent blades and snapped them right off, so I'm a teeny tiny cautious about what I put into my processors now. Go ahead and throw in all your ingredients, which you'll find in the description box below, and you're almost done in making these sweet, chocolatey, tangy and crunchy date balls. Now, I usually start with about 14 grams of pomegranate juice because that's what I use. You could use cranberry because this does have cranberries in it. And you'll want to check for texture and for moisture. Now, I found that these needed a little bit more. As usual, I always start with just the 14 grams and then I go in with another 10 grams afterwards just to help the mixture become the right consistency. So go ahead and pop your mixture into a dish, and this is where we start to form the little balls. Now, you can make 12 rather smallish ones, or 8 rather large ones if you're using an ice cream scoop like I did. It just makes the job a lot easier. These are really easy and fun to make, and you could probably get your little ones involved in helping make their own little treats for their lunch boxes. So coat the balls in some oil. You don't need rivers of it. All you need is just enough so that the coconut will stick to the balls. These are best kept in the fridge or the freezer and enjoyed anytime when that little craving hits, and these do satisfy it. Trust me. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.